Hey guys, this is unboxing and review of Dragon War Dark Sector GK-002 professional gaming keyboard. I got this from Flipkart. I'll leave the link in description. Now I think it is the cheapest backlight keyboard. That's why I ordered it. So let's just look at the box. It says 1.8 meter long cable and the Dark Sector logo. And here's the Dragon War and multimedia and function keys with backlight illumination. Let's turn the box. Here it says slim mechanical keys, slim keyboard design, backlight illumination, heavyweight design. Yeah, the keyboard is pretty heavy, I would say, and you could see the keyboard, and it also has a gold-plated USB in. So let's just open the box and look at the keyboard. In the box you will only get the keyboard and no driver series, which means it does not have any interface or any app assigned to it. So I don't think. In the box you will only get the keyboard, which is a plug and play type. It does not have any driver series. So let's start with the USB. It's gold plated and it says Dragon War Association. It is pretty big, so it can be differentiated from your other USBs. Here it has a braid cable, and blue and black look good. On the back of the keyboard we have this cotton, which acts as a. The keyboard is pretty slim. I will not say that it is the slimmest of all, but it is compact, I should say. You could see how slim it is. It has all the keys of a keyboard, even though it is small, but there are some keys who are placed differently, like the delete, page up and home keys. It also has three lights for the number lock, caps lock and small lock. That's very good, and it has a logo of Dragon War. The keyboard has four rubber feet which prevents it from moving on the desk, and some like many screws. And here it says some Dragon War assembled in China. It is a it is a Japanese company actually, but it is assembled in China. I have now connected the keyboard and the keys do light up. This keyboard does not have a button to turn off the keys. Uh, Actually, the Dragon Ball company supplies different type of keyboards in the world. While some countries have the function, but some don't. In India, we don't have that option. So you could see this looks pretty good. Let me turn off the lights for you. So you can see it looks pretty cool. Uh, the keys do light up pretty well, and you can easily see the keys in the dark. Let me just show you how much the keys produce sound. So just listen. The keys are mechanical and offer a very good feedback. You don't have to press them very hard in order to activate them. They are very good. Uh, the prints of the buttons also look durable. They won't fade away in some time. I would say the keyboard is pretty good for its price. Uh, I got this for 900 rupees. Uh, so you can wait for a sale or you can just buy it. The keyboard is pretty heavy, and this is also a plus feature, as the keyboard doesn't move easily. The build quality is very good. The keyboard is very compact. uh, so yeah, it's pretty good and you can go for it. So thanks for watching my review, guys. I'll do a follow-up video if I find some defect in the keyboard. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel for more videos.